Bye, Joel.
Bye.
While the ride is in motion, please
Demon, what could possibly go wrong?
Against the seat back. And keep your legs.
It'll be fine as long as there aren't any scary noises when we start. Oh, wait.
Be prepared to conquer the demon.
The demon. You can't quite see the decoration on the front car, but it's very cool. The demon aerodynamics looper. With the spooky tunnel. Yay, thank you. Oh, I got some funky lights. And scary noises. I like the American and Californian flag up here. There's a scary Halloween decoration hiding back there too. I think it's just being stored there. Alrighty. And you can see if you're gonna look left. I can't turn. Never mind.
Welcome back. Please remain seated until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. Then, unbuckle your seatbelt and push down and pull up on your harness to release, and carefully exit to your right.